affordable yet dependable model on our list is going to be the Etekcity Eros Bluetooth Body Fat Scale Smart BMI Highly Accurate Digital Bathroom Body Composition Analyzer. You're getting the most bang for your buck on this one. This smart body composition scale tracks 13 key fitness metrics, including body weight, body fat percentage, water, muscle mass, BMI, BMR, bone mass, skeletal muscle, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, protein, metabolic age, and even visceral fat directly on your smartphone. The Eros Scale app is simple to use, supports unlimited number of profiles for you and your whole family to get and stay healthy. The best part is that it seamlessly syncs with your favorite health apps and services, Fitbit, Apple Health, and Google Fit. Upgraded auto-calibrating sensors for precise and consistent measurements on a thicker 6mm tempered glass platform to weigh up to 400 pounds. Finally, a durable body weight scale you can depend on that stands the test of time. Designed in Southern California to complement the decor in any room yet be functionally efficient, the large 3.6-inch luminous LED display turns on automatically when you step on, and your body composition appears in your smartphone with a simple touch. The Eros Smart Scale comes with 7-day real USA customer support, and our products include the industry-leading quality. You can rest assured that you will be 100% satisfied with the Etekcity experience. The more the merrier. The Eros Scale allows your whole family and friends to get and track their body composition, since it can store an unlimited number of user profiles. The Etekcity Eros Bluetooth Body Fat Scale Smart BMI Highly Accurate Digital Bathroom Body Composition Analyze